Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Hannah. Today is Christmas Eve. It's currently Christmas Eve night and I just came up to my room. I changed into my Christmas pajamas. Every year my mom and my two sisters and I, we get matching Christmas pajamas. This year these are them. We kind of got them a little bit late, so we didn't have much to choose from, but they turned out cute. I like them. I mean, they're PJs, they're comfy. So I'm really excited about that, and I just wanted to do kind of a montage video showing just my Christmas celebration through what I did leading up to Christmas and preparations for Christmas and Christmas Eve and then Christmas Day with my family. I know that a lot of you guys who might be watching unfortunately are not allowed to spend time with your family, and I am thinking about you guys and wishing you guys all the best, and I honestly am just so sorry. I mean, I don't know what other words to say, just I'm sorry, and I'm thinking of you, because my Christmas is a little different than what it has been in the past. Like, my entire family can't get together, my cousins can't come in, but at least I get to spend it with my parents and my grandma and my aunt. So I am very thankful, and I know that I should never take that for granted, because I know a lot of you who may be watching aren't able to do so. So I just wanted to kind of share my Christmas celebration and what I did leading up to Christmas and everything like that. Not only for it to spread some Christmas cheer, even though I'm going to be posting this after Christmas, but also just a memory for me and my family, especially this crazy year 2020, to have. Yeah, so I thought I would do that, and I'm really excited to film this video.
On the first day of Christmas, my true love gave to me a partridge in a pear tree. On the second day of Christmas, my true love gave to me two turtle doves and a partridge in a pear tree. On the third day of Christmas, my true love gave to me three French hens, two turtle doves and a partridge in a pear tree. On the fourth day of Christmas, my true love gave to me four calling birds, three French hens, two turtle doves and a partridge in a pear tree. On the fifth day of Christmas, my true love gave to me five golden rings, four calling birds, three French hens, two turtle doves and a partridge in a pear tree. On the sixth day of Christmas, my true love gave to me six geese laying, five golden rings, four calling birds, three French hens, two turtle doves and a partridge in a pear tree. On the seventh day of Christmas, my true love gave to me seven swans a swimming, six geese laying, five four calling birds, three French hens, two turtle doves and a partridge in a pear tree. On the ninth day of Christmas, my true love gave to me nine ladies waiting, eight maids a milking, seven swans a swimming, six geese a laying, five golden rings, four calling birds, three French hens, two turtle doves and a partridge in a pear tree. On of Christmas my true love gave to me. 10 lords a leaping, 9 ladies waiting, 8 maids a milking, 7 swans a swimming, 6 geese a laying, 5 golden rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree.
So cute.
But maybe I should. Look how pretty this skirt is.
Done. There. Are you sure it covers everything?
Yes, isn't that so cute?
So, no. So
You don't like it?
your love, you wish to your kids and crew. Truly a home on to me, Catherine, Jane. No, I can't go through.
Yeah.
I think my brother wants to talk to me.
It's vintage.
That's pretty.
That is so pretty.
Yeah, your sister is so jealous.
Put it on. It is beautiful. Like I can't get over it. Yes.
You did good. It's really pretty.
It's from the break, Sarah. In Brooklyn. We went there. Yeah.
It's not a winter coat.
It's like a spring. I mean, you could wear it with a sweater. It's so pretty. It is so pretty. Wait, put down the collar. It is so stunning. We have a white Christmas. It's literally the best